You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right here on BTC USD chart, we have seen a very huge breakout at this very area. And I was talking about this very level very often in my previous video. And I talk about this very candle. And I said if this candle turns bearish, then that means you're going to see a more retracement in the market. But right here, the candle closed bullish. That means there were enough buyers in the market to push the market right up. Now this very move right here, guys, was caused by very important news that will skyrocket the price of BTC right from this level to a target I am going to show you in this very video. So in this very video, I'm going to show you where the next Bitcoin price will reach and other altcoins that you have to buy for the next altcoin season. So let's dive right in. But before we do that, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification and leave a like for this very particular video. Right here on BTC USD chart, we see the market have gone right way up, and this very bullish breakout of this very resistance line here. When we were talking about this very particular resistance in the last few days, and right now the market has broken the resistance and it's tending to the upside. The big news on board right now is this very approval of BTC ETF. Now this very news is very strategic and it will lead to a skyrocket in Bitcoin price in the next few days that we are to see right here on Bitcoin. So this will allow institutional investors to invest in BTC fluently, okay, without any obstruction. So this will attract more people to buy Bitcoin, and this will lead to Bitcoin price to rise as well. Now, exchange traded fund, which is ETF, is very important, especially for institutional investor right here. So this approval was what caused this very recent spike in the price of BTC. So what is our target? What I am expecting in the market is very simple. So right here, if I pick up my Fibonacci, I am expecting the market to create another new all-time high above this very high right here. This is $64,000. So if I pick the trend-based Fib extension right here, you discover if I move from swing low to swing high and then back to swing low right here, you see the first target we are seeing on the Fibonacci right here is this very level, which is $68,000. So I am expecting the price of Bitcoin to move from this area and surpass its all-time high and create another new high. And this is the first target I am expecting using the Fibonacci extension right here. So this is what we're going to see in the next coming days. I am expecting this price to get to this level very soon. Maybe in 1 or 2 weeks time, we're going to see price come to this very level because of the approval of BTC ETF, and everything is going to start on the 18th of this very month. So that is that, guys, for this very particular analysis. Beta Finance, I've been following this coin up for the past 1 week, and I told you guys that I will show you when to actually enter a trade. You see, this is our line withdrawal, and all the lines have obeyed perfectly. So right now we are trying to wait so that we see a nice momentum in price right now. So if you look at the volume indicator, we've not seen any sign of bullish move in the market. So we're going to wait until we see a reasonable move, and I'm going to give this call in our various platforms. So if you've not joined any of our platforms, check the link in the description of this video and join all our platforms. And also, if you're not registered on Binance, please check the link in the description and do your Binance and OKX registration right away. If you want to enroll for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency Course and Mentorship Program, also do well to check in the description and you see a contact and you reach us directly and get properly trained on how to trade cryptocurrencies. Right here, guys, we've seen Shiba have been going right down, and at this very level is finding a very nice support. At this very level, we see at this very area, we see resistance around this area, turn support around this area. So we are expecting the next move to go right up to this very level. So like I said earlier, it is very important that you wait for this very level to break. This is a nice place to start taking a buy position right now And also when it comes to this area, you monitor how the market breaks out of this very particular level as well. So this is very important on this very particular chart right here. And then you have to take advantage of the next move to the upside, then before we expect a breakout of this strong resistance level for the market to move right up. Right now, Bitcoin is moving aggressively to the upside. So that means very soon the altcoin season is going to come in right now, and the market is going to break this very resistance level. One more thing, guys, if you have not buy altcoin very low at the moment, I encourage you guys to look for altcoins that have value and get it into your portfolio right now, because after this intense BTC move we've seen in the market, the altcoin season is going to come in and it's going to pump hard. Please help subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Also leave a like for this very particular video. One more thing, guys, comment below in the comment section, what do you think Bitcoin price is going to do in the next coming days, and what are you expecting? Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.